Hey guys and gals, I am Kris Keefer with KeeferinkTesting.com and RockyMountainATVMC.com, and we are out here at beautiful Milestone Motocross in Riverside, California at the 2020 Alpinestars MX intro. But I thought it'd be a cool video to show you guys how to use your rear brake in the air to bring your front end down safely. Keyword, safely. All right, first things first, guys. Find a safe jump that you can practice doing these types of things. I can't stress this enough. Basically, what you guys want to do is find a jump that you're most comfortable with, a short jump, maybe a little bit of steep face, and you're going to want to practice this over and over again. Don't expect to nail it the first couple times. Like everything in life, practice makes perfect. But basically, you want your body positioning neutral on the bike, shoulders bent. You want to always be on the balls of your feet. That's key as well. Squeezing the bike with your legs. Huge thing is squeezing the bike with your legs. I'm not going to go all rhino power on you guys right now, but balls of your feet, squeeze with your legs, square on the bike. When you get ready to go up the jump face, your front end is going to take off first, right? And it's going to be a little high at times. So what you guys want to do is you want to pull in your clutch just a little bit while turning off the throttle. You don't want to be on the throttle, pulling your clutch in, okay? You want to be off the throttle, in the air, clutch in, and then you're going to tap your rear brake just a little bit. So you're going to be in the air, clutch in, tap the rear brake, and what that's going to do is bring your front end down a little bit. You don't want to hold your rear brake for very long. Just a little tap will be sufficient enough to bring your front end down. And the reasons why we pull our clutch in case you guys don't know out there, is that keeps the engine running. If we did not do that and we went off that jump and we didn't pull that clutch in and tap the rear brake, what does that do? That kills the engine. And then it's like the Titanic in the ocean, man. It's sinking, your front end's dropping, not pretty. You don't want to be in the hospital. You don't want to be laid up on the couch. Your wife's going to be mad at you because you can't go to work. And you're going to be mad at me because I taught you something wrong. So please, pull that clutch in, tap your rear brake. That'll bring your front end down, and that will bring your bike angle to the landing, so be nice and smooth. This is a good tip for guys that sometimes have bad body posture up jumps, because if you gas it too much off of the face of a jump, your front end's gonna be high like a marlin in the ocean. Coming out of the ocean, you see this marlin straight up and down? That's what happens when you give too much throttle off of a lip. If that happens, don't panic, do what I say. Clutch in, tap the back brake, it'll come back down. When you get better on your dirt bike and your style evolves and your posture is better, your body positioning will dictate the bike trajectory in the air. But until then, this is a great tip for you guys to angle that landing, butter it, go home safe, be happy, get up the next day and go riding. So this has been a quick tip. Practice makes perfect. So make sure you stop by RockyMountainATVMC.com. Check out the video page on the YouTube channel. You'll get more tips. Search my name. We got a bunch of tips up there, and we're here to help when we need it. So thanks for watching.